Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up resume in LinkedIn using Canva Resume Builder. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top and type Resume. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your style. Click on a template to open it in the Canva editor. In the editor, you can customize the text by clicking on any text box. Replace the placeholder text with your own information, such as your name and contact details. You can also edit the font style, size, and color to match your personal brand. To add your work experience, click on the appropriate section and fill it in. Be sure to list your most recent roles first and include key achievements. Next, navigate to the Skills section and add relevant skills that align with your job target. If you want to include a profile picture, click on the image placeholder. Upload a professional photo from your device or choose one from Canva's library. Once you're satisfied with your resume, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file format and download your resume. Now, let's move on to setting up your LinkedIn profile. Open a new tab and go to LinkedIn's website. Log into your account or create one if you don't have it. Once logged in, click on your profile picture to access your profile page. Click the Add Profile section button to start editing your profile. Begin with your headline, making it clear and professional. Next, copy your summary from the resume and paste it into the About section. For the Experience section, input your job titles, companies, and dates of employment. You can also paste your achievements from your resume to highlight your contributions. In the Skills section, add the same skills you included in your resume for consistency. Consider adding any certifications or courses that enhance your profile. Finally, review everything for accuracy and make adjustments as needed. Your resume is ready to be sent out, and your LinkedIn profile is set for networking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.